Model of atomic bomb and its explosion. So here I have demonstrated a nuclear bomb, where it is a cross-sectional part of this nuclear bomb. Its working is just simple as like a gun. Here a detonator is there and a uranium bullet is placed here. When the detonator initiates the fire, this uranium bullet is pushed forward in forceful manner towards this target uranium. This is a bigger part of uranium ball, sir. When this bullet hits this uranium, sir, then it starts the chain reaction. In a chain reaction, sir, the nucleus of an atom splits up into two lighter nuclei, and then these two lighter nuclei again collide with the neutrons and continue the process in consecutive or continuous.
Chain reaction.
Then
What is symbol stands for?
this radioactivity. And here I have prepared a small demonstration of our Pokhran testing site, sir. Back then in 1974, India had successfully tested its first nuclear bomb, sir. That name was Smiling Buddha. And the desert place was chosen because it is a sparsely populated area, firstly, and second is in the season of May in desert strong winds come, sir. And that time American spy satellites were spying our nuclear project. So the wind strong prevented it from their design. And this is a nuclear bomb. When it is dropped, sir, it unfolds its effect into 6 stages. The first stage is the flash of light. A flash of light so bright that people living away from here to 80 kilometers away becomes temporarily blind, sir. And the second one is the heat wave, sir. Heat wave cause a third-degree burn to the people living from here to 8 kilometers away also. It is a 100% chance of dying. The third one is the release of the nuclear radiation. The stage fourth is the fireball will become visible. Stage 5 is the sound of the explosion in the air. This will create a huge wave, sound waves or supersonic sound that will make the human dead. And the last one is the most deadly, because in this radioactive particles, what will happen after 1 or 2 hours of the explosion, sir? This causes poisoning to the human beings, and its effects are so deadly that it affects the human in long term also, sir. Thank you, sir. Here, sir, I have also prepared one more. This is a
Microscope.
As we know that pollution is increasing day by Kolkata, this is the model which converts the air pollution into income. As we know that there is a huge population in India, and due to huge population, number of vehicles are used, and due to number of vehicles, large amount of air pollution is predominant. So here I have made the model which is based on real life problem solving. Here you can see this has made the smoke of the two small vehicles, and this is carbon filter. And here you can see that the air pollution is producing from the vehicle is observed by the smoke of the and after that it goes in the process of filtering. And here you can see this is smoke filter, which will filter the smoke and smoke impurities and changes into black fine powder. So you can see that it goes down, and it will, all the fine powder will be captured in the carbon filter. So here you can see that it is observing the carbon, so it has collected the black fine powder here. So here you can see
Enzyme.
where you can contain a black white carbon powder. And by adding some oil. Yeah, because it is the model which will make the waste one into useful one. So here I have added the oil so like this, and we can make the paint which is used for art and craft is useful paint. It is very most populated and you will not agree also. That's why I think that we should make this one because it is very useful. And we are inking the
Explain the model of the working of the
and here I will show you the light example. This is the